Hi everyone. Do you like to know what are the benefits you get from SEO? How it increases your revenue? Then watch this complete video. In this detailed video, you will know why you shall invest in search engine optimization service. So I am your friend, your host, digital marketer, SEO magician, and entrepreneur Anuj Bharadwaj. So let's start our video. SEO, search engine optimization. It is a process to optimize your website or online store in such a manner that it shall satisfy the conditions of search engine to rank the website. This is the meaning of SEO. Now, what are the benefits do you get? The very first benefit that you don't have to do pay per click marketing. What is pay per click? When you will open any search engine, you will see some website and ad is written in left side of it. That is ad. It is a ppc method to rank website, and it is very costly, and you don't need to invest in that service if your website ranks on search engine. Second benefit, just 1 out of 9 click on ppc. And if you have an organic ranking, then people will prefer your website to click. So more traffic in less investment, and everyone like this scheme to invest limited and get more traffic, and it is better than to pay for every click. That is online. Now in SEO, if your website is ranking, then 60% will click on the first website if your website is on the first page on the top. So that's why SEO service is essential. A good SEO service is essential so that your website shall rank higher, because taking the website to the first takes time, and to continue on that position you need continuous service, continuous SEO service, and it increases your revenue. For example, if I type SEO course in India, I will prefer to click on the first, second, or third, maximum up to fifth. So it increases the revenue. In this way, it is helpful, because I will click open, I will see the content, I will see the website, and then I will think that it is fit for me or not. If it is fit for me, I will definitely invest. Suppose your set course cost is 10,000 and you are paying 20,000 for SEO, then just two clients you need, and that's all. You are in profit, because in business you will see the break even point. Every month you invest 20,000, and if you get three clients, it is profitable. Actually, not three clients, you will get more if service is good. So this will help you to grow your business. Now, competitor, how to get the first win from the competitor. If your SEO service is good, you are taking service from good people, they understand that if we need to defeat the competition, we need to search out keyword on which competitor are not ranking and traffic is good enough. So they will search out that keyword and they will rank your website on those keyword. So that profit which your competitor can get, they will not get. This will be first win for you. because ranking on those keywords on which your competitors are ranking, it will take time. And to rank above the competitors, it may take time or may not, but this is the first way to increase your revenue. So a good SEO service is essential, and this is the best way to get business, get traffic for the first time. Later on, you can search out more keywords and rank on those more keywords on which your competitors are not ranking. So these are benefits of SEO. In offline, many times you saw that someone calls on your reception that I need dash dash service dash dash course, etc., etc. Why? That is because of search engine optimization. And further, it reduces your cost because you don't have to pay for pay per click, which is very costly. Some websites pay even 1000 or 3000, and there are some keywords on which you have to pay 5000, 500, 600 for one click. And here you can get unlimited clicks on your websites. No matter how many people will come to your website, you don't have to pay for each client or each click. And the conversion, what conversion, the most important thing which digital marketers ignore, that traffic is not important, convertible traffic is important. And if you bring convertible traffic to your website, it will give you a revenue of 2 to 5%. That is the standard. So if you bring good traffic, 2 to 5% conversion is worth it. Suppose your website is receiving just 600 traffic, convertible traffic. So minimum you will get 12 customer minimum. And if your course fee is 10,000 or your service charges is 10,000, you will get 1,20,000 easily. And if you continue to invest in SEO service, they will rank you on more keywords that will help you to increase your business. So month on month your business will increase. That's why investing on SEO service month on month is worth it. But you need to know because in these days, especially after this corona era, many digital marketers will come into the market. Many people will come into the market as a digital marketer, and it is not essential that everyone has good knowledge. So select the perfect person in correct way and make a mechanism to select the correct person. In this small video I cannot explain everything. And if you get good SEO service, it will definitely profitable for you. And go for good service, pay for good service. Suppose if you pay 7,000 to someone for SEO and you are getting no business, and if you pay 20,000, you will get business of 1 lakh. Then 20,000 is cheaper for you, it is affordable for you. And if you are paying 7,000, you are not getting traffic or you are not getting convertible traffic, it is a complete loss for you. Many times it happen, people go for cheaper services, and this is just waste of money. I'm not saying that those people who don't, who pay, who take less payment will do good work, but if they don't have resources, how will they work for you? So I request everyone to not go for cheap SEO services, at least affordable SEO services. And this is just a request. You may or may not opt. This is your business. I'm just a consultant, and I will definitely do my work as a consultant. And if you have any more question, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely give reply to you. So that's all for today. We will meet in another video again, and please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and because it will give boost to me. It will make me happy that yes, I am able to help someone. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening to me.